Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a tteokbokki, which is a spicy rice cake in English. There are many types of tteokbokki. Today I'm gonna make a tteok which is made from flour instead of rice. 1 cup of flour and hot water mix well, adding hot water little by little, refrigerating for at least 3 hours. Refrigerating longer results in more tender. Roll to finger size. Add tteok to boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes, then transfer tteok to cold water for 5 minutes. Next, we are going to make sauce. Here is a tip. Add little yellow curry about half of a teaspoon. Add our cooked tteok, then here we are, done! I like to add the fish balls and green onion for flavor. Here's a spicy and sweet tteokbokki. My hubby considers this is pasta, and I agree. I cooked vegetable fries and kimari for side dish. I will upload this delicious and easy side dish recipe soon. I like to use the sauce for dipping fries and for side dishes. Many Koreans add boiled egg and it's so delicious. Try it. With leftover sauce, add ramen noodle. It's so yummy. What I like about having a lot of sauce is I can add rice and egg for fried rice. This is the best time for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the tteokbokki recipe, and I will come back with another Korean food video. Stay safe.